Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Qgebeha, the Empire, from the 10th to the 14th of April 2023 on Monday. It's a wedding day for Nontle and Thulani, but between his feelings for Anathi and the Funega's disappearing, it's not looking good. Nobomi's siblings aren't impressed with her bringing Lungile to the wedding on Tuesday. Anathi makes her own vow at the wedding. Nobomi says Lungile's true colors on Wednesday. Thulani and Nontle are off to their honeymoon. Fundiswa and Mpilo begs a top designer for their fashion show. Anathi is concerned about the crime in Qgebeha on Thursday. Luzuko is convinced that he killed the wrong person when he learns of this Fiso's news. Ntando feels disrespected by his father and decide to stop seeking for his validation. Mpilo finds himself making out with someone he shouldn't be making out with on Friday. Luzuko finds a piece of incriminating evidence that could get Msimelelo in big trouble. Brother and sister get into a heated argument over a man. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.